What's up, my good people? Back again with another video. Just want to share with you guys the upgrade I just did on the front grill, which looks pretty dope. This is the first time that I've changed out the grill on this truck. Well, obviously it's the factory grill has been on this thing since I've had it. On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being super easy to 10 being like just a hard installation, I give it like maybe 3. I had to do a little work to get both of the grills off, but it really wasn't that bad. If you got the right tools, any job can be pretty easy. But just wanted a different look. The factory grill wasn't too bad. To me, it kind of took away from the look of the rest of the truck. The upgraded grill just looks better, just bought it out. You know what I mean? So this is what I feel like I needed. It was like a missing piece. We'll get out to show you guys how it looks, but you're gonna just have to wait to watch the video, the installation video, to see how it came out. Well, you can kind of see on the thumbnail, you can kind of see, you kind of have an idea what it looks like, but it still don't tell the whole story. You gotta really see the final outcome with both grills installed. It all came together and it looks good, and I just want to share this video with you guys, especially with those who own a BMW X5, same year model as mine. Other than that, that's all I got. Without any further ado, here is the video of the grill installation on my F15 BMW X5.